Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog food for blue heelers that are available on the market for their true quality. This list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Canady All Life Stages Premium Dry Dog Food. Canady All Life Stages Premium Dry Dog Food stands out as a top choice for dog owners who seek the best in nutrition and convenience, especially when catering to breeds like blue heelers. Known for their energy and intelligence, blue heelers require a diet that supports both physical activity and mental acuity. Canady's multi-protein formula with chicken, turkey, and lamb meals offers a rich blend of essential amino acids critical for muscle development and maintenance. The versatility of Canady All Life Stages makes it uniquely suitable for households with multiple dogs of different ages, breeds, or sizes. The hassle of buying separate foods fades away since this one bag can feed them all, from playful puppies to wise seniors. Its commitment to using high-quality ingredients without fillers, such as corn, wheat, or soy, means every kibble contributes to your pet's overall well-being. Moving on at number 4, we have the Health Extension Dry Dog Food. Health Extension Dry Dog Food earns its spot as our number 2 pick for nourishing blue heelers, thanks to its high-quality ingredients and comprehensive nutritional profile. This original chicken and brown rice recipe showcases a commitment to canine health with every bite. Real organically raised chicken provides lean protein, essential for muscle growth and energy levels in active dogs like blue heelers. The addition of brown rice ensures a digestible source of carbohydrates, supporting stamina without the downside of filler grains that can trigger allergies or sensitivities. The formula's unique inclusion of turmeric, apple cider vinegar, and ginger, along with natural probiotics, demonstrates an advanced understanding of canine well-being. Turmeric offers anti-inflammatory benefits, which are important for keeping your energetic blue heeler moving smoothly. Apple cider vinegar and ginger contribute to a healthy gut, optimizing digestion and nutrient absorption, critical factors in maintaining the high energy levels these agile dogs require. At number 3, we have the Nature's Recipe Lamb, Barley and Brown Rice Recipe Dry Dog Food. Nature's Recipe Lamb, Barley and Brown Rice Recipe Dry Dog Food ranks number 3 on our list for a reason. This 24-pound bag of dry dog food brings together the wholesome goodness of real lamb, whole grains like barley and brown rice, and essential vitamins and minerals to support optimal health in blue heelers. Its prime ingredient, real lamb, not only delights dogs with its taste, but also ensures they get the necessary protein to maintain strong muscles, crucial for this active breed. The inclusion of fiber-rich ingredients such as barley and brown rice aids in digestion and promotes a healthy immune system. It's particularly beneficial for blue heelers who may have sensitive stomachs or require extra care with their diet to stay agile and energetic. Nature's Recipe stands out by avoiding added corn, wheat, soy, or artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives, ensuring that your dog only consumes what truly benefits their health. At number 2, we have the Rachael Nutrish Big Life Dry Dog Food. Rachael Nutrish Big Life Dry Dog Food is a top pick for medium and large breed dogs, including the energetic blue heelers. With real beef as the first ingredient, this dog food supports hip and joint health, which is vital for the active lifestyle of blue heelers. The unique blend of hearty beef, veggies, and brown rice not only offers a taste dogs love, but also provides protein and fiber to keep them full and satisfied. The mix includes both tender savory pieces and nourished bites, nutrient-packed nuggets that deliver vitamins and minerals essential for your dog's well-being. Owners who choose Rachael Nutrish Big Life for their pets appreciate seeing real ingredients in every scoop. The inclusion of high-quality beef ensures strong muscle support, while brown rice aids in digestion, a critical aspect considering the dietary sensitivities some blue heelers may have. And finally, at number 1, we have the Love and Naked Essentials Dry Dog Food. When it comes to keeping your blue heeler healthy, energetic, and happy, the right nutrition is key. Iron Love and Naked Essentials Dry Dog Food. Lamb plus Bison stands out as a high-quality choice that caters specifically to the needs of these active dogs. With pasture-raised lamb and bison as the primary ingredients, this kibble ensures your furry friend gets a protein-rich diet essential for maintaining lean muscle mass. Not only does it boast 30% protein, 25% more than some leading brands, but it also supports vibrant energy levels, perfect for herding or day-to-day adventures. The holistic blend chosen by in-house vet Dr. Angie brings together all natural ingredients without any fillers like corn or soy, making every bite nutrient-dense. Plus, with no grains in sight, it addresses common digestive sensitivities many blue heelers may face. The added prebiotics and probiotics promote a healthy gut microbiome, ensuring smooth digestion, which is vital for these active canines who require efficient nutrient absorption to support their high-energy lifestyle. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.